For the science, we're gonna do baking.
Kinito Bakers.
Let's do it.
Lalaban kami by duos.
It's on reveal.
3, 2, 1.
Wait, how does this work though?
Ba't nagbulo kami?
Professional baker. Okay, what's up? We're here with team number 1. Think about your team. You think you have what it takes to win?
Of course, bro. We're gonna win 100% Team Korea, bro.
We got the skills to pay the bills.
That's right. Go.
We're gonna make the best macarons in the world.
We're gonna rush it. We're gonna make sure that we're gonna do the best macarons ever. Para when they eat it during dinner, chef's kiss. What are your thoughts on the baking competition?
I have no thoughts kasi syempre mananalo kami.
Like kami yata yung like, ano yung highest chance of winning, honestly. Like, underrated Chinito Walker, you know what I'm saying? Like,
dami nitong alam.
Iiyak sumitaw si Tonglay.
Simple.
Simple pala.
Gonna win, bro.
Ganda to.
Go.
Got a tray right here. Y'all gonna lose. Ganun talaga guys, kung like mahina kayo, madami kayong sinasabi. Then we got the ingredients.
Okay guys, let's go. May tripod. Okay. Lahat na. Like, ano mo. Kami guys, professional.
Kamay ko dito. Bruh. I got you, fam.
For the ingredients within the stainless steel. Nakatala doon sa ingredients.
Nakakasave lang naman. Nilagay na nila lahat.
Walang ano eh.
Huwag ka mahimik. Ako mukha ko ng tinatao.
Guys, nalagay namin lahat ng sugar kasi sinabi, put ingredient.
Hindi ba ingredients sa sugar? Bulok to eh. Bulok. Sila yung may kasulatan, hindi kami.
Let's go.
Guys, nakikita nyo kung gaano kaganda
See
yun.
the difference, guys.
Look at this
dude.
It's not about the looks kasi. Normal na tao. Kung ganito yung nangyari sa kanya, give up na din. Like Rido na eh. Pero kami kasi, we never give up.
Tama.
Stop kasi.
Bruh.
Step 1 pa lang, nilagay na natin lahat.
We're gonna whisk it again.
So, dapat ngayon ka-consistent. Ano, may dip.
Oh, consistent no?
Okay.
Parehas lang eh. BLK.
Tama, kaka-BLK lang namin. Oh! Galing nga din, oh.
Wait, I need to get another.
And got a blue.
Let's try ko nyo.
Bruh.
Look at those veins, no?
Okay ba guys, pala kayo bro?
Kaya yung movement mo.
Ang daming nang gagawa ko.
Okay. Let him cook.
Kailangan natin ng 2 bowls ito. Salvation?
Guys, so if kailangan nyo ng personal baker, DM nyo.
Naka-bake full.
Okay, speed 2. Same lang yung init. Row 2 row, second. Alright.
Mas come up nicely.
Moon eclipse. Ano masabi mo, bro?
Wala.
Pwede na.
Pwede na. Bro, context nagkamali kami. We made it this far.
Basta edible, di ba?
Easy.
Tutatanggal. Edible. Ano na?
Try mo.
Edible. Ano masasabi mo, bro? Edible, no?
Don't listen to them guys. Don't listen to them.
I just try to recover to the
Final product namin ni Adrian. Haba,
Like,
haba, bro.
cut like this.
No!
I tasted chicken first. And then became Oreo. I tasted chicken first.
Okay, okay, okay. It's not bad. Hey, that's what I'm talking about, bro.
Dalgo.
Ours namin like ours next.
Yes, sir.
Tayo dalawa. Okay.
Very.
Alright. Okay, let's go. Okay,
The
okay.
best sector out of all.
Let's go. Easy win, like. I didn't even sweat, bro.
Hello.
Comment down below kanina pinakamaganda isura. Magandang isura.
Yun yung sa amin.
Kung hindi nyo sinabi na ito yung panalo, hindi na kami maglalakad.
Hindi, maglalakad pa rin.
Okay. Let's let's do baking done. Comment down below what we should do next.
Don't mind.
Ano? Napalamin nyo.